Hello everyone! Welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. Today, we will learn about rational equations. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. In my previous videos, we focus on rational expressions. Gumamit tayo ng addition, multiplication, subtraction, division that involves rational expression. We need to understand the difference between an equation and an expression. Okay, itong nasa itaas, 1 over x plus 2 plus 3 over 4x equals 1 over 2x is a rational equation. Itong namang nasa baba, x over 2 plus x plus 2 over x plus 1 is an expression. An equation contains an equal sign while yung expression does not. Okay, dito sa example na to, 7x over 4 minus 3 over 2 equal to 5x over 8. Kailangan nating i-multiply ang bawat isang term na yan with the LCD. Now, ang goal natin is to eliminate yung denominator sa bawat isang term. So, kunin natin yung LCD. Ang LCD nito ay 8. So, ang gagawin natin, we multiply each term by the LCD, which is 8. And once we multiply, okay, let's simplify. So, we can divide 8 by 4. So, we have 2. Okay, if we divide 8 by 4. So, 2 times 7x is 14x. Minus, okay, simplify natin yung second term. We can cancel and that leaves us with 4. 4 times 3 is 12 equal to, okay, yung 8 dito tsaka yung 8 doon, magka-cancel siya. Equal to 5x. We transpose 5x to the other side. So, subtract natin yung 5x dito on both sides. And then yung 12, transfer din natin sa kabilang side. So, we add 12 on both sides as well. Okay, so after that, we cancel this and also this cancels out. So, ang matitira na lang, 14x minus 5x is 9x equal to 12. Then, solve natin yung x. So, we divide everything by 9. So, magka-cancel lang 9, leaving us with just 12 over 9. Or, i-reduce natin to. We divide each of the numbers here by 3. So we have 4 over 3. And this is our final answer. Okay, for our next example, 1 over t minus 3 plus 2 over t equal to 5 over 3t. Ang LCD natin dito would be 3t times t minus 3. Okay, so eliminate natin yung denominator by multiplying each of the term by the LCD. Okay, so once i-multiply natin yung bawat isang term by the LCD, look what happens. We can cancel itong t minus 3 with this. Maiiwan na lang yung 3t times 1. That gives us 3t. Plus, okay, cancel natin yung t and then t here. So 3 times 2 is 6. Tapos, we'll just copy the binomial. Okay, later, i-distribute natin yung 6 sa bawat isang term equal to, okay, so dito naman, 3t cancels with 3t, leaving us with just 5 multiplied by t minus 3. Next, we just copy 3t plus, i-distribute natin yung 6 sa bawat isang term. So, that gives us 6t minus 18 equal to, ganon din dito, 5t minus 15. Then, combine natin yung like terms. So, 9t minus 18 is equal to 5t minus 15. Now, pagsamahin natin yung mga t on the left side and yung mga constant on the right side. So, subtract natin yung 5t on both sides. Add natin yung 18 then on both sides. Okay, so ito magka-cancel. Also this, ito rin. 90 minus 5t is 40 equal to negative 15 plus 18 is 3. Okay, solve for t. We divide it by 4. So t is 3 over 4. Ito yung final answer natin. Okay, for our next example, 5 over x plus 3 minus 4 over 3x equals 7 over x squared plus 3x. Now, itong denominator na to, pwede nating kunin yung factors. Ang factors nito kasi merong siyang common factor na x. That will be x and x plus 3. Kunin natin ng LCD. Ang LCD nito would be 3x times x plus 3. So, next, multiply natin lahat ng term with the LCD. Okay? Once we multiply, we can simplify by canceling. So, x plus 3 present dito at dito rin. So, we can cancel. That leaves us with 3x times 5. That's 15x. Minus, okay, here, pwede natin i-cancel ang 3x at saka 3x, leaving us with 4 times the binomial. So, minus 4 times x plus 3 equals x plus 3 cancels with x plus 3. Ganun din yung x. So, natira na lang is 3 and 7. So, we multiply that. That gives us 21. Distribute natin yung 4 sa bawat isang term sa parenthesis. So, copy natin to. So, negative 4 times x gives us negative 4x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 equal to 21. Now, i-combine natin yung like terms. So, 15x minus 4x is 11x minus 12 equal to 21. Okay, so yung constant, lagay natin sa right side. So, we add 12 on both sides. So, magka-cancel dito, leaving us with just 11x equal to 33. Okay, and then we divide everything by 11. So, x now is equal to 3. And this is our final answer. So, remember, ang goal natin is to eliminate the denominator. And that is by multiplying it by the LCD. Once we multiply it by the LCD, you notice no denominator now, and we can simplify, distribute, we can combine like terms, and solve for the unknown. I hope this helps you understand how to solve rational equation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.